Открываем, в общем, коробку by pulling this plastic off. Okay. Top cover. Here's my phone. Oh, there's my phone. Looks good. Here's the chargers, manual. Here's the phone. It looks so good. Oh, this is just amazing, the way they made it. I love new things. They always look nice. And this phone is something. Still have this plastic on. 3 cameras, lightning cable, charging port. And this is the phone. This is a Max Pro Max, 6.5 inches. Best for now. It's a green color, and the edges looks pretty green too. Can't really tell on the camera, but it looks green. Okay, here's some headphones, and just a regular headphones with the wires. Yep, with the wires. And what else there? And there's charger. It's actually a fast charger that comes in the Pro. It comes with a fast charger that requires special cable to plug in. It's a new C cable. Alright, I'll figure out later. This is good. And what else we have here? Yeah, this is a phone. This is the only thing I want to see right now, is this phone. It looks good. It's just brand new. It feels good in my hand. I like how it looked like, and I'm gonna turn on right now. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this preview of my opening this iPhone. It was exciting for me. I hope you guys gonna have the same exciting news for you. I hope you have a new iPhone as well, and I wish you a good day. Everyone hello, and everyone have a great time, and bye bye now.